The purpose of our life is to recognize our Creator, obey His commandments, and serve His creation. Knowledge is useless if it doesn't lead to action. True wisdom lies in implementing what we have learned. Islam is not just a religion, it is a comprehensive way of life that encompasses all aspects of human existence. Patience is the key to success. Endure hardships with a positive mindset and trust in the decree of Allah. The Quran is not just a book of rituals. It is a manual for life that provides guidance in every situation. True strength lies in controlling one's desires and emotions. Self-discipline is the path to spiritual growth. Muslims should strive for excellence in all aspects of life. Mediocrity is not compatible with the teachings of Islam. True liberation comes from submitting to the will of Allah and freeing oneself from the chains of materialism.
Sincerity and purity of intention are the foundation of all righteous deeds. Seek the pleasure of Allah.
Thank you for watching.